Hi, I'm Victor with JerryJoy, and we make virtual companions for senior care. So software doesn't have to be hard. Today we're going to learn how to set Google back to your default, your main search provider. And so in order to do that, I'm going to assume you're using Firefox. If you're using another browser, it might be a little bit different, but you can just adapt these instructions to fit. So let's say there's really two ways of searching, right? If you want to type something directly into the URL, you might type in like test search, and then, oh, whoops, it says URL not valid. Something is wrong with my ability to search in the URL bar. And then there's also another search thing over here in Firefox where it's the search bar on the right, and you can type in test search, and let's say that's set to Bing right now. So now you just did a Bing search. So we want to set those both back to Google. So in order to set the URL search, you need to go into about:config. You type that in as if it was a URL. Hit enter, and then it says this might void your warranty. And it's not like you got a warranty anyways, so just click be careful. I'll be careful, I promise. And now you can fiddle around with everything that's under the engine. So type in keyword under the search, and you'll notice it pops up keyword.url. And under the value, it says it's broken, right? But this could be anything. If you installed some malicious software, it could be some, not very good website to search from, anything like that. So you just want to replace it with Google. And in order to do that, you want to type in google.com/search !Q equals. And once you've done that, hit enter. And now, if you type in test search into the URL box, it'll search using Google. So congratulations, you just fixed that. Now what you want to do is fix the search bar over here as well. And you'll notice you can select from a number of search engines here. Google happens to have been deleted somehow, so you just want to click Manage Search Engines. And Firefox is really handy. You just click this button, Restore Defaults, and boom, Google's back in there. So you select Google, click OK. You can choose Google now from the menu, and if you type in test search over there, you can run a Google search as well from the search bar or the URL bar because you already fixed that. So now, Google is your main search provider in Firefox. I'm Victor with JerryJoy here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Thanks.